Lorena? Hello. Alrighty. Alright, make sure.
No.
Alright.
Glen Karen and Bathurst, Nicole.
Oh no, it's for Lorena.
For the love of DOGgone Diva. Look, I'll throw you some cash on top of it.
I can't. Sorry,
For the love of God.
I can't. It's alright.
Are you an Uber driver?
Yeah.
Okay, can you look it up in the system that it's Nicole?
No, it's not Nicole. It's
Are you
yeah.
for real? Okay. Really? Oh my God. You can't find... Okay, so the girl that you're looking for right now,
Yeah.
who is not here, is going how far?
I'm not sure.
Yeah,
3
you
kilometers.
do know. Don't tell me you're not sure. Where's her end destination?
Lakeshore.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
So, Bathurst and Glencairn, is that further? And possibly more money for you?
No, it's not. Like, she's going pretty far, and she did.
Excuse me?
She's going like further, and it's an Uber Premier.
Do you want some cash?
No, I gotta do this one. I actually started it.
You want $100 cash on top of the fucking fare.
I can't do that. That's
Really? Is
Yeah.
that safe?
It's not
For a
about.
woman who is clearly drunk on the side of the road. It's what's safe for her. For real.
Yeah, I can't. Sorry, I can't. Like that's.
Really?
Yeah.
So your conscience.
Yeah.
Your conscience.
Like I have to like get the person that I
So you're
came
gonna
to pick
get
up.
less money.
It's not about
deal with
money.
Yeah, actually, it is.
Not for me.
Actually, it is. If you are an Uber driver, I will give you your fucking money.
It's not
the fucking fare.
It's,
plus the full fucking tilt in regards to your tip, and I can hand you cash right now.
It's not about that.
Actually, it is. Do you not remember when a girl was raped and fucking like put out on the street?
Well, I'm also picking up another lady, so I mean, like,
Oh,
I don't
okay,
know.
so 2 ladies that could be stripped and fucking raped.
Like,
How about I hand you $200, you shut the fuck up, and you take me home?
no.
Really?
Yeah.
I can't hand you $200 cash,
No.
and you take me home?
No, it's not about cash.
Oh, okay. So if you're not working for fucking money and cash... Really?
Yeah.
Really? I can't hand you $200 right now?
Nope.
Really?
Yes, correct.
I can't hand you $200
No.
right now?
No.
Cash?
No.
And you won't take me home and make sure I get home safe?
No, I have
And not
someone
raped.
else to pick up.
And tomorrow morning, when you find out that I was fucking beaten and fucking raped. Really? Really?
Like, you're not gonna guilt trip me. Like,
Oh, bro, it ain't me. You either have a conscience or you don't. Hi. So then let me out.
the button there.
Done. I have $1,000 cash on me.
Okay.
Right now.
Cool.
But if you don't give a fuck, then
I
that's
don't.
on you. And that's on your mom and how she fucking raised you. Bye.
Bye.